Hello friends, let's learn opposite words. Big and small. Big. Elephant is big. Small. Mouse is small. Tall and short. Tall. Man is tall. Short. Boy is short. Weak and strong. Weak. He is weak. Strong. I am strong. Soft and hard. Soft. Teddy is soft. Hard. Coconut is hard. Fast and slow. Fast. Car is fast. Slow. Old man is slow. Heavy and light. Heavy. Bag is heavy. Light. Balloon is light. Full and empty. Full. Plate is full. Empty. Plate is empty. Go and stop. Go. Green light says go. Red light says stop. Pull and push. Pull. Pull the box. Push. Push the box. Wet and dry. Wet. The boy is wet in rain. Dry. Girl is using umbrella so she is dry. Old and new. Old. Boy is wearing old clothes. New. Girl is wearing new dress. Up and down. Up. Man is climbing up the stairs. Down. The boy is sliding down. Beautiful and ugly. Beautiful. Peacock is beautiful. Ugly. Crow is ugly. Bitter and sweet. Bitter. Bitter gourd is bitter in taste. Sweet. Chocolate is sweet. Cold and hot. Cold. Ice is cold. Hot. is hot. Day and night. Day. Day has sun. Night. Night has moon. Daughter and son. Daughter. Daughter is she. Son. Son is he. Deep and shallow. Deep. Water is deep. Shallow. Water is shallow. Sad and happy. Sad. Boy is sad. Happy. Girl is happy. Salt and sugar. Salt. Sprinkle the salt. Sugar. Add sugar to tea. Sharp and blunt. Sharp. Knife is sharp. Blunt. Baseball bat is blunt. Yes and no. Yes. Not to say yes. No. Say no. Inside and outside. Inside. Dog is inside. Outside. Dog is outside. Laugh and cry. Laugh. Lady is laughing. Cry. Baby is crying. Sink and float. Sink. Ship is sinking. Float. Ship is floating. Open and close. Open. Door is opening. Close. Door is closing.